Hello friends, in this video I am showing you what is a name error. Name error occurs when we try to use a variable, function or module that doesn't exist. We use an example here. Here name equal to and then age, print age. While executing this code we get name error. Name age is not defined. Here we define the age as well. Age equal to 28 or 29. Then we can remove this in this way, or if we misspelled this word here age, we forgot to write e here, then also we will get the error name error. And in the case of function, say hi, print hi, then we call the function say hi. While executing this code we will get the result again name error. Say hi is not defined. Here we write double I in this function name. So these are the situations that the name error occurs. Here we remove the double I in here and we will get the result. This is an example for the function and the previous one is an example for a variable. Thanks for watching this video.